There are two rings that seal your pressure washer's pressure nozzle to the pump body. Over time, the O-rings can harden and fail. This will allow water to leak past the nozzle. Replacing the O-rings is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the pressure nozzle from the pump. Now remove the old O-rings from the pressure nozzle. With the old O-rings removed, now I can install the new ones. I'll lubricate the O-rings with a little bit of silicone grease and install them onto the nozzle. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the pressure nozzle back into the pump. And that's how easy it is to replace the O-rings in your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.